Hey guys, today I am playing my slime finger that I made on Friday with my friend. This one got a little bit sidey. I was afraid of that, so here it is. It's tidy, I know, but I'll fix it in no time. I'll fix it real quick. Huh? Just like at a little show here, maybe. Okay. Let's see. I'm trying my best to do it. Hope I can fix it. Maybe. I don't know, but I'm gonna try. Oh yes. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and click the notification button or whatever, or click the bell. So when I post a video, you can always see it. I need to get to 100 followers, you guys. And if we get to that goal and 1,000, I can go live. And maybe we'll just do a not giveaway. I'll just tell you guys in my videos. Please help me reach 100 and then 1,000. I really want that much followers. And I have like 3 followers on YouTube and 429 on TikTok. Like, yeah, I need to have more. Then more on YouTube and TikTok. So make sure to subscribe to my TikTok. It's Miss Teen Teen 20. It's spelled M-I, 2 S's, and then goes how do you say? Then T-I-N, and then T-I-N 20. That's what it is. My nose is stuffed. Forgot to film with my for the YouTube, like on my phone actually, but we were filming on my Chromebook, like Flickr YouTube video. Yeah, she likes to do that sometimes. Oh yeah, let's watch the Chromebook actually. Let's watch something while I play with my slime. There we go. Let's see, I'm gonna go watch something on Netflix, of course. I love Netflix. Watch.
This is gonna get a little rough.
Oh yeah, I did wanna watch something else there. I'm gonna take a break and not watch The Flash. Let's make with the mermaid. I already started watching it on episode.
Have you seen Lila?
1 and.
Carly, I need you to help me clear out the cool room. Problem day. It's packed up.
Didn't you have it serviced this month?
I kind of
the guy said it was okay.
So
Well, now it's not okay. It's like someone zapped the thermostat.
Lila.
Get me out of here.
order for her to transform, we'll have to carry her out. We can't do that with people coming in all the time. How do we keep them out? Distract them. How? You'll think of something.
About time.
Coral caves in the sea, periwinkle, starfish flashing and dancing. So won't you come on down here with me?
Serena, what are you doing?
We can build sand castles.
Can you not do that? You're disturbing everyone.
No, she's not. She's really good.
Turtles, would you like to come and play in my garden? So come on down and play with me. Just swim around and stay with me and share that ocean magic with me.
Why were you singing?
I thought it might cheer you up. Didn't you like it?
Oh no, it was beautiful.
Thank you. Now I have to go.
What's that about?
Those girls are beyond weird. You think that's weird? Where'd you see what they paid for their clothes with?
I think you would be nice.
What for?
Getting you out of trouble.
I was handling it.
Oh, yeah, that was pretty obvious, by the way. You were lying on the floor with your tail, waiting to be discovered.
Thank you.
Hey! How do you like your new clothes? Good. They're really nice. Oh, glad to hear it. Here are your old ones. And you pay for the new ones with these? Is there a problem? Oh, there's definitely a problem. You were right. We drew attention to ourselves.
Lila got stuck in her tail.
Okay, let's not make a big deal of it. I warned you.
We've decided it's not right to put you in danger because of us. We won't bother you again.
Are you going back to Mako?
What's it to you? I don't care. Did you marry him?
No. He died.
Yes, what's the
I'm
shit?
sorry. You must have loved him a lot. I hope you find someone else.
Wait. I know how painful it is to lose your pod, but you can't just go barging around on land. There's so much you don't know. And not just about land dwellers, mermaids too. You don't even have your moon rings.
Oh, well, we'll never get them if we don't do something about Zach.
I might be prepared to let you stay. If you listen to me. That's my deal. Take it or leave it.
Okay.
Okay. If anyone asks, tell them you're my nieces. That makes me your aunt.
Thank you.
Yeah. Thanks.
We should be heading back to Mako.
Hey, I really like your new clothes. Where did you get the money?
Evie said we had to pay her properly, otherwise we'd be in trouble.
Actually, she said we better pay her by tomorrow, or she'd call the cops.
And Rita, do you have any money?
There's a big storm coming. guys better go home.
We only just got here.
Yeah, it's gonna rain all day by the look of those clouds. I need to get to school for a Saturday staff meeting, and you guys need to get to Mako where you'll be safe.
We'll make sure we don't get wet.
You think that's easy? I've had years of practice. I know how to run my life around rain. You don't. If you leave now, I reckon you've got 20 minutes before you get caught. Bye.
Just gonna put it in my slide because I don't care that much. Yeah, just put it there.
You haven't even started.
Started what?
Packing! I told you I wanted to get away as soon as we can.
I have. I was just thinking about what to take.
We do the father-son camping trip every year. What's to think about?
There's always last-minute stuff I forget to take.
Well, make sure it's not your wet weather gear.
What? Why?
I checked the forecast. There's a storm moving in later this morning.
Joking.
So we get a bit wet. What's the big deal?
But a storm means lightning. We could get hit.
There's nothing on our tent that conducts electricity, Zach.
But it'll be muddy everywhere and...
And it'll still be great. Now, I want to get going as soon as we can, so hurry up with your packing.
Ken, I need your help.
It's not even raining yet. We can still get to zap him, and swim to Mako before it starts.
Well, actually, according to our new aunt, we'll be stuck outside like beached whales with our tails out for everyone to see. We do not look like whales.
Well, if you stopped arguing with me and got on with it, there wouldn't be a problem.
You're not always right, Lila.
Neither are you.
You are like a barnacle on a rock. You just never let go. It is going to rain. We have to come back. Zach isn't going anywhere.
Do you really want to wait even longer to get him?
We've got no choice. We can't go outside when it's raining.
Maybe it is, and maybe it isn't. There are ways for mermaids to hold back the rain.
No way. We're not using my moon ring to change the weather.
You're not meant to use it to get legs either.
But if anybody found out,
What? They'd banish us again? We'd get in even more trouble? We came here to fix Zach. We can't run away from that just because of some stupid rain. You want to see your sister at Quadra again, don't you?
you know I do. When we need Nixie, I mean, it took all three of us to get our legs.
This is just stopping the rain. We can do it.
Hello? Come on, guys.
There's no need to panic. Are you kidding? There's every need. We've gone camping every year. Dad's gonna be crushed. I can't tell him if I go out in this, I turn into a fish boy.
Okay, then let him down gently. Tell him you're feeling woozy and running a temperature. It's foolproof. Works on my parents all the time.
Daddy's their doctor. Any other bright ideas?
I'm working on it.
To work?
I'm not sure.
What's going on? Why is it so cold? What's happening?
happening? What did we do?
I don't know, let's try again.
Oh, we can't.
You have to.
Here's my slime. I look under this pink one and making it right by Shady Creek. Look at this. This is like, this is totally fake slime.
I'm freezing. Please make it stop.
And they're not.
Try harder. What have we done?
We have to get out of here.
At least it's only in the grotto.
You've got to be kidding me. That smells like use the moon ring.
After what happened? No way am I using it again.
Fine.
Stop, you're making it worse. This was supposed to be our way out. Now we're trapped. I told you it was a mistake to use the moon ring, but you wouldn't listen.
We can't have used it right.
We shouldn't have used it at all. This is your fault, not mine. My skin. So itchy. And it's on your face too. What's wrong with us?
So until this pressure trough moves, we can expect lots of heavy rainfall and severe weather warnings for coastal regions.
This is not good news.
You ready, Zach? Oh, hey, Cam. Sorry, this is the father-son camping weekend. Any other time I'd ask you along.
That's cool. I would not want to camp in this anyway. If it was me and my dad, I'd have it cancelled, to be honest. The forecast is terrible.
Nice try, Zach. Let's go.
Sorry, Dr. Blakely. Look, you're just gonna have to tell him the truth, man.
What?
Dr. Blakely, the real reason Zach doesn't want to camp
Cam!
he's sick. He just didn't want to bother you with it.
Oh, really? How long have you felt off? Don't feel hot. Pulse isn't up. You seem fine. Why are you doing this? Don't you want to hang out with your old man anymore? Is that it?
Of course I do.
If this is your idea of a joke, it's not very funny, Zach. Get your act together and pack your gear, all right?
I feel terrible.
Oh, we can fix it. We use the moon ring again.
And make it worse? I said I wouldn't.
Oh, you don't know that.
Nixie's right. You never give up. I'm not risking it. Don't ask me again. It's getting worse. Now my ears are ringing.
What's that? That thing. Make it stop.
Hello?
Hello?
Oh, hi.
Oh, you sound like a real boy.
That's because I am a real boy.
You don't look like one.
Gee, thanks. You sound familiar.
Really? I've never spoken to you before.
Yes, you have. Is that Serena?
How did you know?
It's David from the cafe.
How did you get in there?
Through the door, like always. What are you doing at Miss Santos's place?
Oh, she's our aunt. We were just visiting.
Principal Santos is your aunt? No kidding. I've got a regular order to deliver.
Oh, right.
Since you're there, do you mind if I drop it over? I'll see you soon.
No. Hello? David? David, hello? He can't see us like this. How do I get him back? Hello? Come on, girls.
Hello? Serena?
Get rid of him.
Hi. Just leave it there.
I can't, it has to go in the fridge.
I can do that.
Well, you have to open the door a little bit more so I can get the box in. That's a nasty looking rash, are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. Just give me the fish.
Yeah, no, that's alright, I'll give you a hand. You don't look too good either. I've got to get a doctor, there's something wrong with both of you.
No, there's nothing wrong.
Come on, a rash like that? It's got to be serious. Hello, Dr. Blakely's surgery?
What's going on, Zach? You know your father loves these camping trips. If you really don't want to go anymore, don't play games. He deserves better.
But he's not, he really is sick.
Cam, please. If his father says he isn't...
Touch him now, he's burning up.
You really are running a temperature. Oh, darling, I'm sorry. I feel terrible. Well, at least this explains a few things. Your father made a mistake. You're definitely not well enough to go camping.
Hello, girls. I'm Dr. Blakely. That's a nasty rash. How long have you had it? Are you allergic to anything?
Only kelp spores in the Atlantic. I'm not hungry, thanks.
What have you eaten today?
Caviar and some sea urchins on the way in.
Must have been from Miss Santos's fridge. They didn't touch any of the seafood I brought.
Isn't working. That's odd. You're burning up. And so are you. Did you eat the seafood too? It can't be an allergy to that. You might want to give me a bit of space, mate. I'm not sure if it's contagious or not. Never seen anything like it.
Hey, Lila. Serena. Guys, why is it so cold?
Hello?
I'm afraid your nieces aren't very well at all, Mrs. Santos.
Why? What's wrong with them?
It's hard to say exactly. Their symptoms make no sense to me. They'll have to go to hospital for some tests.
Well, surely it's not that bad.
Tests?
No, we can't.
It's the only way to find out what's wrong with you. Could you call an ambulance, Dad?
Yeah, sure.
Can you wait till I get home? I might know what's wrong with them. Some unusual things run in our family.
I'd rather not take any chances.
What is going on? It was her idea to use the moon ring to stop the rain.
Who are you?
Oh, I'm Nixie.
You didn't know they were sick?
I came through the back door.
Your auntie wants to talk to you.
Hello? Hello?
Rita? I told you to stay out of trouble.
That reminds
They
me.
used the moon ring to stop it from raining.
Oh, they should never have done that.
It snowed instead, and now they're really sick and have a horrible rash.
Of course they do. Do you have any idea what that'd do to you? You're southern mermaids. There's no snow in the South Pacific. They've got snow rash. Now listen carefully because you don't have much time.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye.
It is contagious. You've got it too.
I have to go do something.
That ambulance better come quickly.
Try and see who's powder. Try and see who's powder.
Hun, it's me. Zach really isn't well. He's burning up.
Oh, for goodness sake, I thought he was faking. High temper. He doesn't have a rash, does he?
No. Why?
He might develop one. So don't be too alarmed, even if it's quite severe. What's taking that ambulance so long?
I'll be fine, really.
There's nothing to be afraid of. Just want to make you better.
Psst. Stay there. Nixie. Just don't move, all right?
What was that?
We really don't want to move from here.
Finally. I'll get you to the hospital and...
That won't be necessary.
I knew we'd be okay. Sorry for causing so much trouble.
The rash, it's gone.
And the fever, but... How?
Guess it must have been something we ate after all.
Thank you, Dr. Blakely. We'll see you soon.
Are you sure you're going to be okay?
Never better.
But what about the boxers?
Bye, David. Thanks, Doctor.
Bye, David.
You know, guys, I can't keep saving your tails like this all the time. Understand?
You're in the clear, man. Gone.
Really?
I can see blue skies, so start packing.
Dad! How are you feeling? I'm so sorry for not believing you before.
You are? It's okay, Dad.
No, it's not. I'm a doctor. I should have listened to my own son. There's obviously something going around. His fever's gone.
Really?
I feel fine now.
I just saw the same thing happen to Principal Santos's nieces, too. It was the weirdest thing. It came and went so fast. Next time you feel sick, say so. Am I that hard to talk to? And if you don't want to go camping, tell me that, too.
No, Dad, I really do.
We can go camping anytime, son. What's important is you feel you can talk to me.
I do, honest.
I am never using my moon ring for anything like this again.
Oh, come on. It's the first time we've got it wrong.
We're not old enough to know how to use it properly.
Do you know what we're messing with? Blah, blah, blah. Please, we're going to hear it all from Rita.
You shouldn't have ignored her and gone back to Mako. What if you had been taken to hospital? Told her we wouldn't make trouble. I mean, we're lucky she hasn't kicked us out.
Oh, no. She's still mine. But when you told her that we made it snow, did you say where? We need a new strategy with Zach. Zapping him didn't work, so what we have to do is become his friend.
Hello. His friend? Really? How's that gonna help anything?
Well, he'll open up to us about his new powers, and then we'll convince him that we can help him lose them.
But we actually don't know how to do that.
Yeah, and what if he doesn't want to be your friend? How many friends have you made? You didn't really hang out with anyone in the pod either. You're kind of a loner.
There are other creatures in the sea to hang with, you know?
Yeah? Like dolphins? Are you talking about dolphins? Can you speak dolphin?
Do you? You're just talking about me.
Do you really think that making friends with Zach will work?
It's worth a shot. It's about his feeding time at the cafe.
So, I'm guessing this sudden taste for seafood's got something to do with, you know, being a fish.
I don't know, maybe.
Oh, no. I'll wait for my blueberry pancakes, thanks. Oh, I came round here. You went home.
I was out on the reef. It's amazing at first light. Did you see it? Stingrays, sleeping. Sharks, dolphins. It's a whole new world. You gotta come check it out. You're forgetting. I'll never tell him. Scuba. Oh, it'd be awesome.
I'll let you know.
Hey, bro. You're late. What's the big deal? You work too hard. You hardly work at all. I was busy buying a new boat. It's a beauty. Yeah, I bet. That's it.
Hi, David.
Hi, Serena. Is this the girl you're always talking about? You're Serena?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Joe. His brother. He'll make that the better looking brother. He talks about you all the time. Just take a seat and I'll be with you in a minute.
Okay. Thanks.
So, you gonna show him a boat? She wouldn't be interested. Of course you would. You're hopeless with chicks, man.
This is the perfect time. They're happiest when they're feeding.
I don't know. They look pretty distracted.
I'm telling you, this will be easy.
You can't just walk up to them.
Not more about this land people rules, please.
I have studied them for a very long time. The ritual stays the same. Look at me. First, you make eye contact, and then you smile, and then you just ask them about themselves and talk about something that you both have in common.
Oh, then Zach will be halfway home.
Exactly why I'm dealing with this. Hello. So you like prawns, huh? Me too. You know, there are hundreds of different species of prawns. In fact, I think I can name them all. Would you like to hear them?
Some other time.
Do you like crabs? How about crabs? You gotta like crabs.
Yeah. I like pancakes.
This is never going to work.
Come on. See how she rides, mate. Come for a spin. I'm working, Joe. They can manage without you for 10 minutes. Come on, once around the boardwalk. It'll be fun. We've got customers waiting. Like Serena. Ask her along too. Trust me, it's going to impress her that your brother's got a state-of-the-art speed cruiser and you're supposed to. Trust me, it's not. You're wondering why you don't have a girlfriend. Alright, if you want to ask her, I will. Okay. I'll come. Just give me a second.
Have you ever had the lobsters around here?
Huh?
They're the best. Best I've had. And I've had a lot. What do you think about that? About the lobsters? What about me eating so many? Hundreds. No.
I guess.
Well, we should be friends because we have so much in common.
Sure.
Hey, here's your takeaway order. I wouldn't leave it out too long. Seafood tends to go off pretty quick.
Good point. Sorry, I gotta go.
Okay.
She's weird. She is cute.
Well done. You sure handled that. Let me give you a hand with this.
I think I can manage.
No, really. It's no problem.
I'm just gonna go for a swim. I'll meet you around there.
Hey, I'm not busy. If you still want to make friends.
You really don't need to do this. I'm fine with them.
I'm happy to help. I'm on your way.
You know my way?
Sure.
What do you think? Awesome, huh? It looks just like your last boat. Are you kidding? Man, it's way better. Check it out. We've got integrated GPS, depth, fish finder. Man, there's nothing this baby can't do. Woo!
You hang out with Camelot.
He's my best friend.
Must get sick of him. Don't you want some new ones? You probably do too, you just don't realise it.
I don't think so. I've got plenty of friends at school.
But we don't go there.
Why not? Your aunt's the principal, isn't she?
Yeah, Auntie Rita. She wouldn't let us.
How come?
Yeah, Serena, how come?
Because we go to a different one. Yeah, you can have friends that go to a different school, can't you?
I guess. Well, we're here now, so thanks for this. Okay, cool. Just go right in. We're about to get busy. I can't leave Carly going home for too long. Hey, have we got something here? What is that? Probably just a dolphin. Oh, it's not like any dolphin I've ever seen. Let's follow it. What? Yeah, come on, let's check it out. Are you kidding? That's illegal, not to mention cruel. So? Who's gonna tell?
First time I saw this place, I liked it.
This is the first time.
Right, I mean, when I walked in, my first impression.
I like having my own space. Being independent.
Is that why you don't live with the pod?
What?
Parents. Is that why you don't live with your parents?
They're up at the house.
Maybe we should go and find Nixie.
Not yet.
But we said we would.
Well, you only just got here. What are all these?
Sporting trophies. You know, for being good at stuff. Surfing, swimming, lifesaving.
You must do those things a lot.
Not really into all that now.
Why not?
I've kind of grown out of it.
I don't know how you could give it all up. I mean, if I was this good, I'd really miss it.
Bye. Bye. See you tomorrow.
There it is.
I make sure
It's coming up
I
under us.
close. My life is
What is
one
that?
pair for no.
It was
Bye.
Andy, right?